These soft gels always win me over fast. I liked that these felt easy to take and did not come off like a giant, intimidating supplement. These are the oil of oregano, and the soft gels are small and easy to swallow. I like that this has black seed oil inside, very good. And the formula overall feels simple and not overloaded. Why this one stands out to me. This is the kind of supplement that feels really easy to work into my normal schedule. I didn't have any troubles. The soft gel format really made it a lot more appealing to me than big, bulky capsules, okay? And this is a simple option for anyone really who wants to add the oil of oregano in an easier to take form. Highly recommend these. Very, very good product. And this review is sponsored by the brand.